Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be solving Olympiad exponential equation. We have the equation 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2 minus x is equals to 5, and we are told to find the value of x. So let's get started. For solution, we have to write the equation first, which is 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2 minus x is equals to 5. Remember, when powers are subtracting, that means that there is a division. Remember, in indices, if you have a power 3 divided by a power 2, then this one is equals to a power 3 minus 2, which is a power 1. So we are going to do the same thing here, in which it will be 2 to the power x plus we are going to start with 2 to the power 2 over 2 to the power x equals to 5. Then here, this is where we write 2 power x to be equals to a. So we have to substitute where is 2 power x with a. Here we have 2 to the power x, which is a, plus here we are going to have 4 over here we have 2 to the power x, which is a, equals to 5. Then here we are going to multiply this a both sides, here by a, even here by a, in which we are going to remain with a multiplied by a, which is a squared, plus 4 equals to 5a, in which we are going to have a squared. When you bring this is 5a, when you bring 5a to the other side, it will be minus 5a plus 4. So here we are going to look, here we have remained with 0. We are going to look for product and sum, in which when you multiply it will give positive 4. Then when you add or subtract, it will be minus 5. And those numbers are x squared. Those numbers are minus a minus 4a, because when you multiply minus 1 multiplied by minus 4, we are going to have positive 4, but when you add minus 1 minus 4, we are going to have minus 5 plus 4 equals to 0. Then here we are going to factorize. What's common here? It is a, so a outside. Then inside we are going to remain with a into a squared. We remain with a minus a into a, we are going to remain with 1, close bracket. Then here what's common? It is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4a, we are going to remain with the a, minus 4 into positive 4, we are going to remain with minus 1, which is equals to 0. Then here we are going to pick, because this term and this term are equal, so we pick only one term here, a minus 4 and a minus 1, and these values will be a equals 4, a equals 1. So remember that we add this option here, which is 2 to the power x is equals to a. So we have to take where this a to put 4. First with 4, it will be 2 to the power x equals 4. We have to make sure here, we have to make sure that bases become same, in which it will be 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 2. So x, it will be, the bases are same, we only correct the powers. So x equals 2. And when 2 to the power x is equals to 1, we are going to have 2 power x equals this number. For it to become 1, that means there was a number which was the power 0. So that number, it is 2 to the power 0. The bases are same, only correct the powers. So x equals 0. So our values for x, it is x equals 2 or x equals 0. These are our answers for this question here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new update. And don't forget to check those videos coming there. See you next time.